Hey, it's Sammy on April 24th. We took 3 trades today for 2019 pips. Let's take a look at the charts and see how everything played out. Hey, it's Sammy on April 24th. This is our first of 3 trades. We are working with short time frame data. So we've got momentum on the 5 and 1 minute chart, and we have nice sentiment alignment with a volatility break on the minute chart. We are planning our take profit to be down by this daily pivot and 61.8 Fibonacci level. If you're ready to take consistent winning trades using powerful data, just book a call. We're going to walk you through that process. Now down here by the low of day, we've already got an established support, this gray shadow box right at our low of day tracer. We're going to go ahead and close this trade with 460 pips. Hey, it's Sammy on April 24th. This is our second trade. We're actually trading the momentum of the open candle. So what we have is high time frame momentum. We have a couple of time frames with matching sentiment, but we also have high time frames out of volatility. So this is a very volatile move. So as you see, we punched through this daily pivot and 61.8 level very aggressively. We're actually going to close this trade down manually with 696 pips as it pulls back through this zone. Hey, it's Sammy on April 24th. This is our third and final trade today. This is what the market has been winding up. As you can see, we have multiple time frames with incredibly powerful momentum. We have multiple time frames with incredibly powerful sentiment to the short side, and we also have multiple time frames with volatility breaks. This type of data is what makes fast, consistent, winning, efficient trades. If you're ready to learn how to harness the power of this data to take these type of powerful trades, book a call. We're going to walk you through the process. As always, we're going to move our stop loss to plus 25 to protect our trade and our equity. We sit in the trade until it hits our take profit right above this 50 Fibonacci level with 863 pips.